Hey everyone, welcome back. Make sure you like and subscribe to stay up to date for all of the latest Cami Home updates. So today I want to introduce you to the newest Cami addition to the home security line, the Cami Doorbell camera. Now this doorbell is innovative with a number of smart features, easy to install, and best of all, it's affordable. So today I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys so you can see what's in the box of the new Cami Doorbell camera. So keep watching. The first thing I noticed about the box is the nice packaging and the sleek look of the doorbell. The back of the box is a quick overview of some of the smart features. The first thing I see when I open the box is the installation guide. The Cami doorbell comes with a few different back plates, and these back plates allow you to place the camera at different desired angles. The instruction manual explains which plates to use for the desired angles. Next we have the charging cable, and this looks like a standard micro USB. It also comes with 2 screwdrivers for easy installation. And it also looks like it comes with 2 extension wires. The doorbell itself is a nice sleek design, and it feels sturdy in my hands. And it's not too heavy. The standard backplate is behind it. This white little guy is the charm connector if you're using a digital charm. And then it has a rechargeable battery that goes with the USB charger, and what looks like more installation hardware and a packet of screws. So there you have it, what's in the box of the Cami doorbell. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what was in the box. Make sure you check out our other videos on the Cami Home YouTube channel to learn more about how to install your doorbell and more information on our other products and cameras. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.